Hi, my name is Bhoomi from Non-Academic, and my topic is pencils. So let's start. There is a proverb which is, pens are mightier than swords. If pens are mightier than swords, pencils are too. Pencils are used for drafting, designing, measuring, writing, and marking. Little kids use pencils for writing practice, and if they make a mistake, they can always erase it. Okay, so let's get back to pencil history. In England, a big giant tree fell down in a storm. And under that tree, there was a big, shiny rock, which is called graphite. Graphite was discovered in the 15th century. People started using graphite to mark stuff. They they wrapped it around string so their hands don't get dirty, because graphite, if you just write it plainly without string or anything, it'll make your hands dirty. But after they wrapped the string, it was still not comfortable. In 1795, Nicholas Jacques Conte invented a wooden pencil from France, which was called the Conte process. The Conte process was boiled with graphite, water, clay, and at 1900 degrees Fahrenheit, casting in a wooden surrounding. In 1858, Hyman Lipman got the idea that erasers should be attached to pencils and got patent for that. And after that, yellow pencils were invented, and then incense setter pencils were invented, then color pencils, bendy flexible pencils, and later mechanical pencils were invented. Pencils are a transformational invention because before, charcoal ashes were used to mark too. When pencils were invented, the people got more factories for pencils and the economy increased. To me, I think pencils are one of our most important inventions. If you like my video, please comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye!